Did you hear the great news? BILT is one step closer to unlocking credit card rewards for mortgages by introducing BillPay for BILT. They're sunsetting their old BILT rental rewards accounts and moving to a pre-authorization payment system. Don't you worry, I got you. I'm going to help you prepare for this change by showing you step by step how to set up your BillPay for BILT account for rent. Step 1. Go to BILTrewards.com. Step 2, go to the top right and you'll see the sign up /login button and click it. Step 3, log in by using your telephone number or your email and select that and enter your information. Step 4, they'll most likely send you a 2-step authentication process for your account and you'll have to enter that information /code in. Step 5, once you've verified and logged in, go to the top navigation bar and select Pay Rent. Step 6, because I've had BILT set up before, now you'll want to enter in your monthly rent information in the middle of the web page. Step 7, now that you've entered in your information, on the next page, you'll be asked about how you pay for your rent. There are 4 specific options. There's 1, online payment portal, 2, by check, 3, Venmo or PayPal, and 4, other options. If you select other options, you will see options like Zelle, bank transfer, and cash. I believe these are future options they're preparing for and they're presently not supported. Before I move forward, online payment portal, Venmo /PayPal, these 2 options are actually the same where you'll enter an ACH both routing number and account number. For paying by check, it seems that you can only register or set up this on the mobile app. Look at the timestamps below and jump to the how-to on how you want to pay. Let's get back to it. Step 8, you'll see now a web page that explains what BillPay is and what they're trying to do with the pre-authorization. They're moving from a post-authorization system to a pre-authorization system. Step 9, after you've read all the terms and understand everything, click the next button below. Step 10, in the next screen, you'll now get the option to select your payment method. If you have both the BILT MasterCard and the Alaska Visa signature, you can select between the 2. I selected the Alaska Visa signature, which has a transfer fee, which is reflected in the information below. Step 11, after you've finalized and reviewed everything, click Authorize Payment. You will now see your ACH information to use for your rental portal to pay your rent. Click Complete. Step 12, you'll now see on the main page that you have now authorized a prepayment and have a 5-day window for this transaction to occur. This is a one-time pre-authorization payment, so there's a couple more steps to get this reoccurring. Step 13, scroll to the bottom of the web page and you'll see auto authorize online payments and the icon is reflected as off. Click that button and arrow to go set that up. Step 14, now you'll see a page where it lists all the information from payment method to the amount to which date you would like to authorize on a reoccurring basis. You would allow them to make a payment. Scroll all the way to the bottom so you'll see the final total amount. Step 15, make sure to read all the terms and conditions. There's an interesting term such as you can only use BillPay for BILT 3 times a month only. My prediction is that this is to limit bills that are not your rent in the future by BILT. Step 16, after you've reviewed everything, now you can click Complete Setup. Step 17, now you go back to the main page. If you scroll down, you'll see that auto authorize online payments has a green circle icon for on. Here are the steps that you need if you're planning to pay by check. Step 1, you'll need to use your mobile app versus the desktop and launch the mobile app. Step 2, select at the bottom your pay rent tab. Step 3, you'll now want to enter in your monthly rent and click next. Step 4, you'll now want to select the pay by check option. Step 5, after selecting it in the next screen, you need to now enter in your landlord /property management company that you're paying the bill to. Step 6, you'll want to enter in your information in the memo that it reflects properly for your landlord /property management. After you've entered in all your information, click next. Step 7, in the next page, you'll need to enter in the address information where you want the check to be mailed to. Step 8, you can now select your payment information, and at the bottom of the screen, you can select your delivery service type. By default, it is selected as USPS first class for free, but you can change the options. There's FedEx 2-day or FedEx overnight, which will cost you more. Step 9, once you've reviewed all the information and make sure everything is correct, click the submit button. Step 10, you've now authorized a one-time payment. You'll go back to the main homepage of the app If you scroll back to the bottom, there's going to say right below auto online payments, you can see the auto payments through checks. You want to click that. Step 11, you'll now see the page to review all your information, such as your landlord, your address you're sending to. You'll need to make sure that the rent amount is correct, make sure the payment is correct, and then you'll want to set complete setup at the bottom. Step 12, now go back to the main app page, and at the bottom, you'll see the on icon is now turned green for your pay by checks automatically. Quick tip for first-time bill pay for BILT users, I recommend always watching the payment portal to make sure that the payment goes through from the BILT side and also from your management property side, so that nothing goes wrong and you're not charged a late fee for those first 2 months. And if you want to learn about some big changes from BILT, check out this next video.